Hello dear 7th graders, welcome to English grammar class. So we were discussing kinds of sentences according to function and we will continue this topic today. So before beginning, it's time to take the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19, a promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus, a promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. So now it's time to discuss the kinds of sentences according to function. So for this, let's open your book. So dear students, I hope you all remember that we have studied declarative sentences and interrogative sentences. So what are declarative sentences? These are sentences that state some facts. Okay, वो sentences जो किसी fact के बारे में बताएं. They are also called assertive sentences. Okay, declarative sentences are also known as assertive sentences and these end with a full stop. What are interrogative sentences? These sentences in which a question is asked. Okay, these sentences ask questions. We put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentences कौन से हैं जिनमें कोई question mark लगा हो और उनमें कोई question पूछा गया हो. ठीक है. Now we have studied the kinds of declarative and interrogative sentences as well. Declarative sentences are of two types: affirmative or positive and negative. Affirmative or positive, like for example, I can play the guitar. I cannot play the guitar is an example of negative declarative sentence. Okay? And interrogative sentences are of four kinds: yes no questions, the questions that need either a yes or no answer. For example, are you American? No, I am not. So interrogative का फर्स्ट काइंड कौन सा है? yes no question, जिस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपने yes और no करके देना हो, है ना. WH questions, so in which who, whom, what, when, where, why, how, which और whose, these words are used. Okay, जिनमें ये words यूज होंगे उनको हम बोलेंगे WH questions. For example, what is your name and where do you live? Tag questions are interrogative fragments that are added at the end of an declarative or an imperative sentence to form questions. ठीक है, जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी उसी के बीच में छुपा हो. ठीक है. योर पेट लव्स यू, डजंट इट? दे हैव नॉट स्लेप्ट ऑफ, हैव दे? ठीक है, जहाँ पे लास्ट में कोई ना कोई टैग दिया हो. सो लास्ट इज चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, आर क्वेश्चंस दैट प्रोवाइड अ चॉइस, जिन क्वेश्चंस में कोई चॉइस प्रोवाइड की हो, जैसे कि वुड यू लाइक टू गो टू सिंगापुर और बाली. यहाँ पे दो चॉइसेस है ना. सो ये हमने सारा फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट में पढ़ लिया था. ठीक है. सो नाउ टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू विद इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस कौन से होंगे? दीज सेंटेंसेस एक्सप्रेस अ रिक्वेस्ट, अ कमांड और अ पीस ऑफ एडवाइस. The sentences in which a request is made, a command is made or a piece of advice is given, these sentences are known as imperative sentences. For example, obey your parents and your teachers. So this is a command that you should obey your parents and your teachers. Please make some coffee for me. Now this is a request. You may take the metro up to Rajiv Chowk. Now this is a piece of advice that you may take the metro up to Rajiv Chowk, कि आप राजीव चौक तक मेट्रो ले सकते हो. Now this is a piece of advice. Exclamatory sentences. These sentences express sudden emotions and feelings. We put an exclamation mark at the end of exclamatory sentences. Now exclamatory sentences are sudden emotions and feelings that we feel after seeing or observing something. Like you have observed something and something has come up into your head at that time. ठीक है, अगर आपने कुछ देखा और अचानक से आपके मुंह से कुछ निकल गया तो उनको हम बोलेंगे एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट अ लवली आइडिया इट इज़. कि किसी ने कोई अच्छा आइडिया दिया, सो यू सेड व्हाट अ लवली आइडिया इट इज़, and at the end there is an exclamation mark. How beautiful the parrot is. Now you have seen a beautiful parrot and what did you say? How beautiful the parrot is. Okay, these are called exclamatory sentences. Now these are 4 kinds of sentences: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. And apart from these 4 types, these are further divided into some categories. For example, declarative are of 2 types: affirmative or positive and negative. Interrogatives are of 4 types: yes no questions, WH questions, tag questions and choice questions. Imperative, in which a request, command or a piece of advice is given. Exclamatory, sudden emotions and feelings. Okay, so now we will do this exercise based on these 4 kinds of sentences. Identify these sentences and write their kind. Now there are 15 sentences given in this exercise. You have to identify these sentences and write their kinds. So first is it going to snow tomorrow? Is it going to snow tomorrow? So if you notice at the end there is a question mark. This means this is an interrogative sentence. And interrogative में से भी कौन सा? What kind of interrogative sentence? Yes no question. Is it going to snow tomorrow? Yes, it is going to snow tomorrow. Or no, it is not going to snow tomorrow. इसको 2 तरह से आंसर कर सकते हो ना, yes में भी और no में भी. So this is a interrogative sentence. And interrogative में से कौन सा? Yes no question. Second is new leaves sprout on trees. Now this is an information or a fact. यहाँ पे कोई fact बताया गया है. What is that fact? That new leaves sprout on trees. पेड़ पे नए पत्ते आ गए. So this is a declarative sentence. Declarative में से भी कौन सा? Positive और affirmative. ठीक है, यहाँ पे declarative कौन सा होगा? जिसमें कोई fact बताया गया हो. That states some facts. तो ये फैक्ट था, तो ये हो गया डेक्लरेटिव सेंटेंस. और डेक्लरेटिव की भी कौन सी टाइप? अफर्मेटिव और पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई पॉजिटिव बात बताई गई है ना, यहाँ पे नॉट तो है नहीं. सो दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव और अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. प्लीज़ हेल्प मी. नो प्लीज़ हेल्प मी इज़ अ रिक्वेस्ट. रिक्वेस्ट किस में होती है? इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. व्हेन विल द प्रोग्राम बिगिन? Now at the end there is a question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative में से भी कौन सा? WH question, क्योंकि it is beginning with the when. The words such as who, whom, what, when, where, why, how, which और whose, तो उनमें से ये WH question वाला interrogative sentence है. How wonderfully he sings. At the end there is an exclamation mark. So this is an exclamatory sentence. I won't follow your advice. I won't follow your advice, कि मैं आपकी एडवाइस फॉलो नहीं करूँगा. ये कोई फैक्ट बताया है उन्होंने. ठीक है, दिस इज़ अ फैक्ट और उसमें नॉट आ गया. सो दिस इज़ अ डेक्लरेटिव सेंटेंस. एंड डेक्लरेटिव की भी कौन सी टाइप? नेगेटिव. हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट्स graduated from this university last year? Question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. और कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ये? How. How मतलब WH question. What punishment should be given to the thieves? ठीक है, what punishment should be given to the thieves? Question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. And what kind of interrogative sentence? WH question. Hurrah, we have won the match. Hurrah! Exclamation sign. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Turn right at the corner of the temple and wait there till I come. So this is an advice given to someone. Okay, turn right at the corner of the temple and wait there till I come. कि टेम्पल के कॉर्नर में से राइट ले लेना और वहाँ पे वेट करना जब तक मैं नहीं आता, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, एडवाइस, अ पीस ऑफ एडवाइस इज गिवन, सो दिस इज एन इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. Please note the homework in your diary. Please. So a request is made here. So this is also an imperative sentence. Do you understand Oriya? क्या आपको ओरिया समझ में आती है? So this is at the end there is an question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative में से भी कौन सा? Do you understand Oriya? So how will you answer this? Yes, I understand Oriya, or no, I do not understand Oriya. So it is a yes or no question. Which ice cream do you like more, chocolate or vanilla? So this is a question. So this is interrogative sentence. Interrogative में से भी कौन सा? A choice is given between chocolate or vanilla. So this is a choice question. Open the door. Open the door is a command, right? A command is made here. Okay, open the door. So this is an imperative sentence. He is playing golf. Now this is a fact about someone that he plays golf. He is playing golf, right? So this is a declarative sentence and he is playing golf. So this is affirmative or positive. If यहाँ पे होता he is not playing golf, so ये होता negative declarative sentence. But here it is he is playing golf. So this is a declarative sentence and affirmative. So you will write the definitions of declarative sentence and interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, all of them on your notebooks, for your notebooks, and you will solve this C exercise on your book only. Okay, write the definition of imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence on your book, for your notebooks, and do this exercise जो अभी हमने सॉल्व की है C exercise. You will solve this on your book only, and this is the way of writing. You will write interrogative. Okay, after that you will put a bracket and write the kind of interrogative, yes, no question, ठीक है. Then you will identify the sentence. This is declarative sentence, and what kind of declarative? Affirmative. Okay, this is the proper way of writing and identifying the sentences and their kinds. So all the best, dear students, and don't forget to complete your work. Thank you.